Hi, welcome to algebraclass.com. This lesson is on multiplying mixed numbers, also known as multiplying mixed fractions. This is example number 2. Example number 2 is 6 2/3 times 3 3/11. When multiplying any set of mixed numbers, you always want to rewrite the mixed numbers as improper fractions. So we're going to start with that step, and in order to change these to improper fractions, we're going to multiply the denominator times the whole number, and then we're going to add the numerator. So we're going to do 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. And that's how I get the numerator. The denominator always stays the same, so I have 20/3. I'm going to do the same thing for the second mixed number. 11 times 3 is 33, plus 3 is 36. So I have 36/11. Now that I've rewritten both of these mixed numbers as improper fractions, I can go ahead and multiply. I could go ahead and multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. The problem is I would end up with some really large numbers, and that would make it more difficult to simplify at the end of the problem. One thing that I can do is simplify within the problem first, and that will make my numbers a little bit smaller. As long as I have a numerator and a denominator that have a common factor, I can go ahead and divide each of those numbers by the common factor. So I know that 3 and 36 have a common factor of 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 36 divided by 3 is 12. So I've been able to simplify these numbers a little bit within the problem, which will make my multiplying easier. There aren't any other numbers that I can simplify, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply. I'm going to multiply the numerators, 20 times 12, which is 240, and 1 times 11, which is 11. So I end up with an answer of 240/11. For some of you, this may be okay to leave your answer as an improper fraction. For others of you, you may need to rewrite it as a mixed number. Rewriting it as a mixed number means we're going to work backwards. So we're going to start with our answer of 240/11. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to divide 240 divided by 11. For some of you, you may need to write that off to the side. If you take 240 divided by 11, we know that 11 goes into 24 two times. 11 times 2 is 22. We have 2 left over, and I'm going to bring down the 0. 11 goes into 20 only once. 1 times 11 is 11. And 20 minus 11 leaves me with a remainder of 9. So I'm going to use this division to help me rewrite 240/11 as a mixed number. How many times does 11 go into 240? It goes in 21 whole times. So my whole number is 21. The remainder that you get at the end of the problem becomes your numerator, and the denominator always stays the same. So we end up with an answer of 21 9/11. And this concludes example number 2.